Can we add another iCloud account on iPhone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can add another iCloud account on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the thing here is your iPhone can only support a single iCloud account. Your iCloud is your Apple account, which is connected to your iCloud. So you only can have one iCloud account. So in that case, you cannot add another iCloud. But the thing here is you can actually add another account on your iPhone itself. So for that, you'll need to navigate to your Mail app. So search for Mail app. Let's head over to Mail. It should be somewhere around here. So there we go. There's the Mail app. Tap on Mail app and there you should find accounts. You'll see Mail account. Tap on that and now you can add an account. So here choose iCloud account and type in your iCloud account. After you type in the email for your iCloud account, you can then enter your password, and then after the verification is complete, you can then choose to sync data. Doing that, now you can actually have two iCloud accounts, one just for your iCloud and the other one for your mail. And that's how you can add another iCloud account on your iPhone. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.